Hello guys, my name is Roemer and I'm an OutSystems developer. Not so long ago, OutSystems introduced AI and machine learning to their platform. Today I would like to showcase one of the many ways AI and machine learning can be used within OutSystems. I will use a bot-like feature, and we start by telling the bot we got an issue. For example, we got a blue screen. Thanks to language understanding, the bot knows what we are trying to say, and uses this information to look into its own knowledge base to find the correct answer. In the knowledge base, we can also add follow-up questions, which will lead to more dynamic conversations with the user. On the screen, it happened twice. In both the responses from the bot, it ended with a question, and we got to answer with a yes or a no. In the knowledge base is defined what the yes and the no mean, so the bot can continue the conversation in the right way. So when the bot asked us if it helped us, we answered with a no. And in response, the bot asked us again if we wanted to create a ticket for it. And then we answered with a yes, and so it did. This is just a small example of how AI and machine learning can be used to make things easier for the end user. And now I would like to show you how the knowledge base is set up. When we go to the portal of the Microsoft Azure Q&A Maker, we can add a so-called Q&A pair. We do this by adding a question and multiple variations of this question. This is the part where the machine learning will come into place, but I will come back to this later. And of course you need an answer for your questions, but as you can see on the screen, I already filled it in. Earlier I showed you follow-up prompts, and this is how we do them. By the answer, we can click on Add Follow-up Prompt, which will open a pop-up. We can fill in the display text and link to an existing question. The display text is what the user sees, in this case the no. The link to another Q&A will be the answer that will be displayed after clicking it. When we go to the linked question, we can see it's referred to by the no from the I got the blue screen question. And that's how it finds the next answer to display. Earlier I mentioned how answering multiple questions can help the machine learning. The thing is, everyone can phrase things a little bit differently. By giving the system multiple variations of the same question, the system gets a large pool of words and combinations what all mean the same. So when a new variation comes up, like where I typed green instead of screen, it still knew what I meant. When we inspect this question, we can see that the system was 95% sure about this answer. If it was wrong, we can see below other options for answers, or we can add a new one. And this was a small introduction to AI and machine learning with OutSystems. My name is Roemer, and thank you for listening.